natin ay 10 minutes before 2 p.m. So, third time ko na pong bumalik sa CCTV para magpa-review. Kasi nawala guys ang aking charger. Charger ko ng Oppo, ang aking una kong cellphone. So, babalikan ko daw po kung kaya tatawagan.
Kami magsimula. Okay, 3, 2, 1, la 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 la. At sobra multiply, divide na. Ano ba? Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence sometimes referred to as arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between two consecutive
So if A is the literal coefficient, what about the 2? Again, UMS 11B, kindly use the chat box for your answer. Go. Ano na, saan na kayo? Diloyon, Hernandez, and Lorilia. It is natin naman si Lorilia saang ano to, sa lang planeta to nang galing. Kanina pa ako nagpaulit-ulit. Daguhoy. It is
Numerical coefficient.
Ayun.